So in this video, I will show you how to add one rows and add four rows here. So if I want add one rows before row 6, I need to select 6 number here, not here, as number here. So then click here and right click, then you will find it is insert click, then I insert 8 one rows here. So if I want to add 4 rows, how? So select A6, then hold your mouse to select 4 rows here. If you want to 5, so you need to 5, 6, 5, whatever you want, and right click is an insert. Just click here, then it will be a 4 rows here. So the same as 1 column, 2 columns, and whatever what number of columns you want.